Hi there, it's Grant here. I just wanted to shoot this very quick video because I've got something very exciting to tell you about Jeff Clark Trader. He's recently released the One Stock Gold Retirement Blueprint, which is his specialized way of how he trades the gold market in gold stocks. But also in conjunction with this, he has released an absolute no-brainer deal, which I'm going to tell you about it in a bit. So if you've been on the fence about joining Jeff Clark Trader, maybe the price has been a bit high for you at this point, then you must stay and watch this video because, yeah, it's going to be a no-brainer for you. If you're on the fence about Jeff Clark Trader, but previously the price has been a bit high, yeah, just hear me out. So the first thing I want to do is just explain a little bit about Jeff's One Stock Gold Retirement Blueprint. So Jeff is a master options trader. He doesn't buy and sell shares in the normal way. Basically what he does is he uses options contracts to basically trade the shares that he wants to, which is very different to how normal investors buy and sell shares. Usually as an investor, if you're trading shares the normal way, you just buy some shares in a company, hold them either short-term, mid-term or long-term, depending on what your strategy is. And then when you're happy with the profits, you sell them. But options trading is different. What Jeff does is he buys options contracts on shares. So options trading is just a slightly more sophisticated way of basically trading shares. And the thing is with options contracts, you're not obliged to buy the shares. So when you take out an options contract on shares, you just control them for a set period of time. And basically with one options contract, you control 100 shares. And if you think the share price of a stock is going to go up, you'd buy a call contract. If you think the price is going to drop, you buy a put option contract. And basically the whole name of the game is, basically predicting where the price will go. So if you think the price of a stock is going to rise above $40, you buy an options contract with a strike price. The strike price is the price you think the stock's going to go above or below. So say if you want to buy a call on, say, a stock for $40, $40 is your strike. You choose your expiration date, which is the date the option expires. And basically, if your options contract exceeds the strike price of, say, $40, you are going to make money, because when you buy an options contract, there's a premium you've got to pay on every share you control in a contract. So there's 100 shares, you pay a premium per share. So say in this example, it's $1 a share. So to take out this options contract, just for one contract, you'd pay $100 to open the trade. But the beautiful thing is you can buy as many contracts as you want, depending on how much risk you want to take. And this is basically what, I'm sorry if I'm, it's confusing you a bit, but this is basically what Jeff does. If he thinks the market's going up, he'll buy a call. If he thinks it's going to fall, he buys a put option. And basically he gives you all of the details of all of the trade in his service. So, don't worry. And there's a full course of how to trade options in there. It's very sophisticated. It's perfect for beginners if you've never traded options before. And yeah, it's a great way. And basically, with a One Stock Gold Retirement Blueprint, Jeff has got a special gold fund that he trades time and time again to make money. And if he thinks the price of his gold fund stock price is going up, he'll issue a call alert to buy a call option on it. If he thinks the price is going to fall, he'll buy a put option. The beautiful thing about options is options are great for volatility in stocks and markets. When the markets are volatile, option agreement or options trading is your best friend, because basically you trade the volatility. Obviously the name of the game is predicting when the market's going to rise and fall, and this is where Jeff's service comes in, teach you how to trade options. But he'll give you all of the trade alerts, so you don't have to figure it out for yourself. You just follow Jeff's trade alerts and you make the money. And the thing is, you can make a lot of money very quickly. I mean, you can make 100, 200, 300% more of your money back. So say you take out, you pay, I don't know, say $100 for an options trade. You buy one contract in a stock. If it goes up, 2x, you've made $200. That's how basically it works. And this can happen in a couple of days, week, could take a couple of weeks, could take a month, but you get the idea. And then obviously the idea is you build your account up, and then over time, obviously the more money you put on the trades, the more money you make, and so on and so forth. You get the idea. But this is Jeff's trading, strategy in a nutshell. And this is what the One Stock Gold Retirement Blueprint is. He trades options using one specific gold fund. And it's absolutely genius. If you haven't watched his presentation, I'll leave a link to the presentation below. It's quite insightful and quite interesting. There's a bit of waffle in it. And obviously, in the presentation, he's going to sell his service. But it'll bring you up to speed of basically how all of this works. I've been a member of Jeff Clark Trader now since 2022. I love the service. I've done many of his trades, and I've actually made quite a lot of money. I'm not a millionaire or six figures, but it helps me top up my retirement fund, or if I want some extra money. Trading, using his trades is a good way to do it. It's quite exciting, options trading as well. A couple of clicks of a button, you're in a trade, couple of clicks of a button, and you could have quite a lot of money sitting in your trading account. So, drum roll. So I highly rate Jeff Clark Trader as one of the best options trading services out there. So if you're looking to grow your retirement fund over the next, couple of years, it's probably worth giving Jeff's trading strategies and systems a go. So normally Jeff Clark Trader, retails for $4.99, which is for a year. But today you can join for just $19. Now I've got no idea how long this deal's going to last, because I'm just an advocate, an affiliate for Jeff Clark Trader, but I do believe it could only last until the 18th of March. I can't confirm that for sure because I don't own the service, but my advice to you is I would potentially join today to avoid disappointment. So for $19, which locks you into a year's membership with the service, you get a full year to try it. $19, you can learn how to trade options and do a couple of his trades. You're not going to get a better deal than this, and this is everything you get. Full year of Jeff Clark Trader, his newsletter, you get all his trade alerts, the Gold Stock Retirement Blueprint, options trading masterclass, and then obviously he's got his digital vault of trading secrets with all his reports. You got good customer service, and on top of that, if you don't like it, you can get your $19 back within 60 days. Absolute bargain. So you can join for $19. I'll link to this page in the comments and description below. It'll take you to this very page where you can join for just $19. So if you've been on the fence with Jeff Clark Trader and just thinking, it's a bit too expensive for me, now's the time to join. But don't dilly-dally, because this deal could be taken down at any point, because it's an absolute steal, and it's not really making money for Jeff Clark Trader, certainly not in the first year anyway. So yeah, give it a go. I love the service. I highly recommend it. So if you've ever wanted to join Jeff Clark Trader, give it a whirl. I'll leave this page in the comment description below. Anyway, hope you found the video useful and informative, and I'll speak to you soon.